Do you risk the same on options as you do day trading? Yes, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I sure do. My risk per trade is the same, whether it's an options trade, a day trade, or a swing trade. Okay, that is my risk tolerance. My risk tolerance is not going to change based on a stock, an option, a day trade, or a swing trade. So I still try to risk the same amount on every single one of my trades, regardless of the type of trade, or if it's a stock, an option, a day trade, a swing trade, whatever it is. I always try to risk the same amount. So that will stay within my risk tolerance and my risk threshold. Otherwise, if you find yourself getting outside of your risk tolerance, that's when you start to have problems. Because a lot of times, and this is actually very common with traders, this is something we talked about during Options Palooza, right? Options Palooza was just this past Saturday. Was an all-day long virtual training with two of our top pro option traders, Chris and Momin. They did an all-day workshop from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. It was absolutely amazing. The TC fam got a lot of education, a lot of training out of this. It was something that was awesome that we were actually able to implement in our trading today with 38% gain on SPY puts. We'll talk about that in just a few minutes. One of the most common mistakes that I see from beginner traders is not actually understanding the risk when they enter an option trade. I think that's the biggest hurdle that beginner traders have to overcome, is understanding the risk of the option trade they are in. Because it's a little bit more difficult to control your risk with an option as it is with a stock itself, because you have time decay with options. So not only do you need to get the direction correct when you're dealing with an option, you also have to get the timing of that move correct. You don't have to get the timing correct with when you're trading the stock itself, but when you're trading options, you got to get the time correct as well. So, that's something that we talked about actually during Options Palooza, and something that I just think it's very important for you guys to understand that. A lot of beginner traders can really blow their accounts up when they don't actually understand the risk that they're taking.